Greetings on behalf of the Judge Alexander Williams Jr. Center, our Board of Directors, and staff. I am honored to present our honorees for this year's 6th annual lecture that focuses on justice and on juvenile justice in Maryland in particular. Congratulations to the Latin American Youth Center. The Latin American Youth Center provides programs that develop and enhance opportunities for youths. You will note that there is a common thread to their work, which takes on even greater significance in a challenging world of today. We salute their efforts that don't always make the news.
Hello, everyone. My name is Lupe Quinteros Grady, President and CEO of the Latin American Youth Center. I'm deeply honored to receive the 2024 Judge Alexander Williams Center Justice Award on behalf of LAYC. I would like to thank the Judge Alexander Williams Jr. Center for Education, Justice and Ethics for this incredible recognition. The Judge Alexander Williams Jr. Centers for Education, Justice and Ethics serves as an inspiration for all of us who are dedicated to supporting our most vulnerable communities and helping to address increased disparities. This award is not just a reflection of my work, but of the entire LAYC staff. The work in our communities is not done in silos. I am grateful to LAYC's Board of Directors, community-based organizations, Prince George's County Public Schools, and government partners in Prince George's and Montgomery counties and Washington, D.C. that work together to have a collective impact. It is important that we continue to listen to our communities and engage them to be part of the solutions because they know the answers. At LAYC, we serve over 4,000 youth annually. Every young person deserves a safe space and the opportunity to succeed regardless of their circumstances. For decades, we have worked to create pathways for youth to thrive by providing critical services in education, workforce development, social services, housing, and more. The challenges facing our youth are multifaceted, from mental health struggles, housing instability, education gaps, and safety concerns in their communities. It is upon us, the adults, to not fail them and continue to challenge systemic structures that create these inequities. I believe our youth are an asset, and with the right tools and supports, they can thrive to be their best selves. Thank you again to the Judge Alexander Williams Jr. Center for this honor and your commitment to use your resources to advance social justice.